So we start off today's video with another beautiful hair color transformation. Wow. This is absolutely gorgeous. She has the dark reddish tone in the back and then more of like a blonde going there in the front, really playing into that money piece highlight trend. Such a gorgeous hairstyle. Now we move into the next transformation. This one will also feature a color change. I also really like the stylist hair as well. She's got an ombre of blonde moving into pink towards the ends. Such a fun hair color idea. Client gets this beautiful red hair color. It looks like it has some pink highlights mixed in. Oh, look at the dimension on this. She also has a bit of like a wolf cut layered style here. Oh, strawberry shortcake color. I love the name of this. Such a cute style. The cut with the color looks absolutely gorgeous. I am loving this one as well. The stylist is absolutely amazing at doing some color work. This is so pretty. Now, if you guys are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some amazing hair transformations. So you are currently on the hunt for a brand new hairstyle and you're wanting to make a major hair change, then this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's take a look at some more gorgeous hairstyles.